In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your weapon look bigger on screen on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you might find that your field of view on your game isn't exactly what you want. You might be finding that your gun looks too small on screen, so you want to make it look bigger. All you gotta do is go over to your settings, and you can do this while you're in a game as well, but then go all the way to the right and you're gonna see that settings wheel, so click on that. Then go to the graphics tab. Over here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see three tabs: display, quality, and view. So you literally just want to change your field of view. And if you want to make your weapon look bigger, you want to make it go to the left. So 60 is the lowest you can go. As you can see, my gun is a lot bigger now compared to what it was looking like before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, you can run around. Obviously, you're going to be seeing less stuff on screen, but everything is pretty much zoomed in. So players are going to look bigger. Your gun looks bigger. Everything just looks bigger. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out other Black Ops 7 videos on this channel.